Right now, the amount of money in your life, the opportunities you see or miss, the confidence you feel about finances, all of it is just a result of the story your subconscious has been telling for years. And here's the thing, that story isn't permanent. In the next few minutes, we're going to rewrite it completely so that attracting, growing, and keeping money becomes as natural as breathing. This isn't just positive thinking. This is reprogramming, and it works whether you believe in it or not. You can do this sitting comfortably, feet flat on the floor, hands resting loosely in your lap. You don't have to try to relax. You don't even have to force your mind to be quiet. All you have to do is follow my voice, and your mind will do what it already knows how to do. Learn, adapt, and create a new reality. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine releasing every thought about money you've ever had, just for now. That's right. Allow those thoughts to drift off like clouds passing overhead. That's it. And breathe in again. And exhale, feeling the muscles in your forehead soften, your jaw loosen, your shoulders drop, because with each breath, your body becomes heavier, more supported by the chair beneath you, as if the earth itself is holding you. And with every gentle exhale, feel yourself stepping into a bigger, more open space. A space where possibilities live, and where the old limits can't follow you. That's right. In a moment, I'll count down from 10 all the way to 1. And with each number, you imagine walking deeper into a grand golden vault. 10, stepping forward, feeling the cool marble floor under your feet. 9, the air feels rich here, safe. 8, every step brings you deeper into the heart of your own mind. 7, the golden light ahead glows warmer. 6, you see shelves lined with books and ledgers, each one holding an old memory, an old money story that you've carried. 5, some stories you heard as a child. some from the world around you. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you stand in the very center of the vault. You notice a few books on the shelf that feel heavy, familiar. As you open one, you read words like, money is hard to get. People like me don't get rich. I'm bad with money. And you realize these are not truths. These are just stories. Stories that might have protected you once, but no longer serve you. And one by one, you close each of these old books. That's it. You place them in a box and you seal the box and walk it to the edge of the vault where a warm gold light dissolves it completely. Gone. No longer a part of your story. That's it. And now looking back to the shelves, you see a brand new book, its cover glowing. You reach for it, open it, and the pages shine with a golden light. On the very first page you read, I am a magnet for opportunities. Turn the page. Money trusts me. I grow it with ease. Another page. I am worthy of all the wealth I can hold. As you read each page, you hear the words echo in your mind. See them written in bold, clear letters. And you feel them sinking into every cell, every fiber of your body, becoming a part of who you are. That's right. And now imagine yourself at the end of this month. You're looking at your bank balance, and it's higher than expected. Notice how that feels. The sense of calm, the satisfaction, the confidence. Imagine hearing the ding of a payment cleared. That's it. The voice of a client saying, I'm in. Or seeing a transfer notification pop up on your screen. Let those images and sounds lock into place, like a new code being installed in your mind. Because this is your new story. And your subconscious always makes your story come true. Over the next few days, you'll notice small shifts. You might find yourself saying yes to opportunities you once ignored, feeling calm and certain when making financial choices. trusting yourself to hold and grow what you receive. Because the story has changed, and a new story always creates a new reality. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. And when I reach 5, you'll open your eyes, feeling energized, confident, and ready to live out this new story. 1. Bringing awareness back to your body. 2. Feeling energy return to your arms and legs. 3. Taking a deep breath in, deep. That's right. 4. Exhaling, moving your fingers and toes. 5. Eyes open, fully alert, abundance activated.